In this video, we'll show you how to use our PSD template to design custom badge reel products in just a few minutes. We'll walk through how to design different types of badge reels, including acrylic badge reels with charm, and shaker badge reels. Go to merchize.com. Search badge reel. Choose the badge reel type you want to design. On the product page, open the Template and Mockup tab. Here you'll find the files needed to create your design. Download the template file and the mockup file. You can use Photoshop or other alternatives that support smart object functions to open the downloaded templates. Go to photopea.com, drag and drop the template to Photopea's workspace. This template has two sections. The top section is for adding cut shape design. The second part is for print design. Open the smart object of the design layer. Inside this tab, turn off the sample layer and turn on the guide layer. Let's add the design for your badge reel. Make sure it stay within the safe zone. Here's an important tip. You'll see center circles in the template. These circles show how much of the badge will be covered by the badge reel backing. Make sure your design covers the respective circle for your selected size. Otherwise the backing might be visible through the acrylic. When it's done, turn off guide and other unnecessary layers. Save Smart Object in Close tab. Back to the main template, your design has shown up on the print design section. And the cut shape is generated based on your print design. If you are satisfied with how it looks, turn off the guide group and other unnecessary layers you don't want to include in your design. Now, you can save your file. On Photopea, click on File, select Export As and choose PNG to export the file in a transparent format. On Photoshop, click on Save As or Save as a Copy, and choose PNG format. You can also click on Export, and choose Quick Export as PNG. Next, let's design a custom shape acrylic badge reel with charm. This template is very similar, but it includes two additional sections for the charm. These sections are used for creating the design and cut shape off the charm. First, create the main badge design just like before. Then open the charm design smart object. Turn off the example layer and turn on the guide. Now add your charm design. Keep in mind that the maximum size of the charm is the same as the badge, so make sure to resize your charm accordingly. Also remember to include a small hole in the charm design so it can connect to the cord. Once you're done, turn off the guide layer, save the smart object, and return to the main template. Your charm design and cut shape will now appear automatically. Turn off guide layer and save in PNG format. This file is now ready for printing. Now let's look at shaker badge reel template. Unlike other acrylic badge reels, shaker badge reels use a three-layer structure with small internal charms. The design process is very similar to creating shaker ornaments. You can watch our tutorial for design shaker ornament for detailed instruction. However, this template includes an extra safe zone circle that shows where the badge reel backing will sit. Now let's walk through this. First, open Smart Object to add the cut shape design for your shaker ornament. Next, turn on all the safe zone for top layer, bottom layer and charms. Add the design for each layer accordingly. When it's done, turn off guide layers and save your artwork in PNG format. Finally, Let's look at the custom shape shaker badge reel with charm. The design process is very similar to the shaker badge reel we just created. First, design the main shaker badge using the same 3-layer structure. After adding the design for the badge, you can start adding design for external charm design section. Unlike the charms that move inside the badge, this one is an external hanging charm connected to the cord. If you're satisfied with your design, turn off all guide layers and export the file as a PNG. On our template and mockup link, open mockup folder. Now you can download the PSD file to create your own mockup. Just like with template files, you can open mockup files on Photoshop or Photopea. Now, double-click on the Place Your Design Here layer thumbnail on the layer panel to open Smart Object in a new tab. When a new tab appears, you will see the template file. If you've already created your own print design file with this template, just drag your file and fill this template with the design file saved from before. Or you can design the template from scratch just like what we have done in the previous section. Once you finish filling this template, save this smart object by holding down Ctrl+S, close this tab and come back with our mockup file. Now you will see your design has been adopted to this mockup. If you want to change the background, you can turn off the existing background and turn on the background group you want to change to. If you are satisfied with how your mockup looks, now you can save your mockup for your own use. Make sure to turn off all guide layers before saving your artwork. You have finished your template and mockup. It's time to upload your design to our fulfillment system and start selling.